Who doesn't like muscle cars?
The muscle car era represented a peak moment in American performance car design. And this Revell 1967 Plymouth GTX Hemi kit captures that spirit very well. Inside this package you will find detailed instructions, a colorful decal sheet, Hemi engine components, classic torsion bar components, chrome accents, and period-correct styling that helps bring the 60s performance culture to life.
What makes this model kit special is not just the assembly, it's the story behind it.
This kit was produced by Revell in 1994 during a period when model manufacturers were competing to create highly detailed display kits for hobby builders.
What I really like about muscle car kits of this era is how they balance mechanical detail with visual presence. This kit will look amazing on your model kit shelf.
And they also give experienced builders enough structure to add their own detailing work. If you are building a classic muscle car collection or looking for a 60s performance style project, this is one of the more recognizable 1967 GTX Hemi display kits collectors are looking for. You can check out a full unboxing of this model by clicking the link above.
Do you enjoy building your models as factory stock showcases, or do you prefer adding details and custom touches?
Personally, I enjoy building models just like the factory did while adding realistic details such as engine wiring, brake lines, or seat belts when the kit provides the craftsmanship to support it. If you enjoy classic automotive history, detailed model engineering, or simply want a beautiful display piece for your collection, this is one of those kits worth considering while it is still available.
I currently have a small selection of these 1967 Plymouth GTX Hemi kits over at our store, Monster Hobbies, Bay number 127 3rd Avenue, Southwest in High River, Alberta, Canada, as well as at www.monster-hobbies.ca.
Once these are gone, I may not be able to restock this exact edition again. If this model fits your collection, it's worth investigating while it's still available. However, if this model kit is gone when you visit, please check out the model selection at Monster Hobbies and see what other classic kits are waiting for you.
Until next time, happy model building, and we'll see you in the next video.